Located in Dongguan Industrial Co., Ltd., boasts modern production facilities that integrate R&D, manufacturing, and testing. It also includes warehousing and logistics to ensure efficiency. With over 10 years of industry experience, we are committed to providing high-performance epoxy resin adhesives. These products meet international standards for clients worldwide. Our factory is equipped with advanced production lines and testing equipment, ensuring that every batch of products meets the strictest quality standards. From raw material selection to the final product, Dongguan strives for precision and perfection. Our production lines use industry-leading equipment, maximizing production efficiency while ensuring high quality and consistency. Every drop of adhesive undergoes strict inspections and fine-tuning through multiple processes. Dongguan has efficient warehousing management capabilities to ensure the precise storage and quick distribution of every batch of products. We monitor every inventory item in real time, enabling us to respond promptly to customer needs and ensure timely delivery. By choosing Dongguan Industrial Co., Ltd., you are not only selecting high-quality epoxy resin adhesives, but also a trustworthy partner. We will continue to help our clients create more value through excellent products and services, working together to build a bright future.